Hi guys, in this video, I will introduce you MQL Binance programming. That means we can code MQL in MetaTrader to trade Binance. We can write our own VA to trade Binance via MetaTrader. To do that, first we have to include the MQL Binance API. What I mean is this MP5 Binance that MQH have a file. This is the example. We have to include this file at the beginning of the EA. And let's have a look. This helper file. We can see there's a lot of many different functions here, and every single function is mapping to a certain Binance official API. For example, there is UF new order function here. UF representative USD future margin, and this function is mapping to the new order function of Binance official API, and this is the Binance official document about this API. We navigate it to here. We can see that this is a new order for USD margin futures. So when we are calling these functions in MQL in our EA, that is, we are calling the Binance official API new order in the back end. That is why we can trade Binance via EA, via MetaTrader. So in summary, we can trade spot USD margin future and call margin future via this MQL Binance API, and functions of MQL Binance API are one-to-one mapping to Binance official APIs. Parameters of MQL Binance API functions are the same as the corresponding Binance official APIs. Let me explain. And we can see this function, this new order function, have many different parameters. They are exactly the same as Binance. Let's have a look. Symbol, site, essential, through slide. Then the rest are the same. And we can see the last parameters is return. It is return what Binance returned to us. That means via this chart with chart rate, we can get the response example. We can get a response result. We can get the what Binance exchange returned to us after we trigger this new order API. So when we get this result, get back to MetaTrader, and we can process it in our EA according to our strategy. So data returned from MQL Binance API function. What I'm talking about is this one. Is what Binance official API returned exactly without any modification. But the return is exactly what Binance returned to us without any modification. So this MQL Binance API development guideline is exactly the Binance official API document. Let me explain. If you want to know what this function is for, we can navigate to the corresponding Binance official API URL. And if you want to what is the parameter you usage and what is the parameters for. We can navigate to the Binance official API URL. We can go through that one by one, and you will get what is this function for.